Welcome to my March investing update. We've seen the Mag 7 leaders carry us through the start of the year, but the air is getting pretty thin up there. Today, I'm breaking down why I'm moving capital out of some of the long-term winners and doubling down on a massive shift in the crypto space, and also some deeply unloved recovery plays. First up, I think we're in the accumulation phase for crypto, and I'm heavily eyeing Polkadot in the near term. They're implementing a landmark economic reform on March the 12th, finally capping the total supply at 2.1 billion tokens. This shifts Polkadot from an inflationary model to a scarcity-driven one. And with the unstaking period dropping from nearly a month to just 48 hours, the liquidity profile is changing overnight. I'm also adding to Cosmos. It's been moving in lockstep with the broader market, but with over 60% of the supply now staked, the coiled spring effect is real. And we're sitting at a critical multi-month support level right now. In the stock world, Arcturus Therapeutics is my big watch. This is a high volatility play, but I'm looking at it as a long-term mRNA infrastructure bet. I'm also adding to my position in Charter Communications. Their CEO is speaking at the Morgan Stanley conference this month. And with price targets recently moving up, I think the market is finally waking up to their broadband buyback story. And if you want a sleep well at night play, I would say look at Zoetis. Animal health is booming, they just beat earnings, and they're trading at a fairly attractive forward price to earnings ratio compared to the rest of the big cap healthcare. I'm rounding out the buy list with SolarEdge, which is finally nearing profitability, and Argo Blockchain, which is now a much leaner, recapitalized Bitcoin mining play. Now, where is the money coming from to fund these new purchases? Well, you probably saw that Google hit that historic $4 trillion market cap last month. It's an absolutely legendary milestone. But for me, I think the technicals show that it's starting to struggle below its 50-day moving average. So I'm taking some profits here because the upside feels capped until we see a major new AI catalyst. I'm also considering trimming Lumen Technologies. They declared their turnaround mission complete at the Investor Day last week. The stock has done a 10x from its 2024 lows, and while the $13 billion in AI connectivity deals is absolutely great, the narrative is now potentially fully priced in. Finally, I'm looking at cutting Baidu, as well as Medtronic and Insight. The momentum for me just isn't there to fully justify holding, while better opportunities exist in the crypto space, as I've said. I think we're entering a market phase when ETFs and the Mag 7 stocks are no longer the best option for just dollar cost averaging every month. And finding value in the right places is key. So what are your individual picks for March? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next update.